much.
Hello everyone, today's video is not like other videos. Today is very emotional for me because this video is for my channel anniversary and because we just reached more than 100 subscribers. Maybe for some people 100 is a small number, but for me it means 100 people believe in me, in what I'm doing. And honestly, thank you from my heart. Thank you. When I started this channel, I was scared. My English was not good, and my accent was not perfect. I made many mistakes, and yes, some people criticized me. Some comments hurt. Some words stayed in my head. But today, I understand something important. Criticizing can break you or build you, but I decided to let it build me. When I watch my first video now, I smile, not because it's perfect, but because I didn't give up. I showed up again and again, even when I was afraid. Today, a friend of mine, a native speaker by the way, taught me something I will never forget. He said, 1 year ago, you couldn't speak English like this, and now I understand you very well. At that moment, I felt proud, not because my English was perfect, but because I kept going. Just that. And do you know what I told him? I said, someone said, to learn more, teach what you know to others. And that sentence changed my life. This channel exists because I'm learning English. Just like you, I'm English learner. I'm not a teacher who knows everything. I'm a learner who refuses to quit. Teaching English here helped me believe in myself, speak without fears, accept mistakes, and grow every single day without quit. If you are learning English and you feel shy, afraid, or not good enough, please hear me. You are not late. You are not stupid, but you are learning. That is enough. Let me leave you with 3 lessons from my journey. Take criticism and turn it into fuel. Teach what you know or teach to yourself, even if it's small. Choose consistency over speed. Slow progress is still progress. Thank you for every like. Thank you for every comment. Thank you for every subscription.
Thank you too much.
This channel is still small, but the dream is big. If you are learning English, stay with me and we'll grow together. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next video.